everyone, welcome to Heron Academy's YouTube channel. I am your very own Manju Kharai and this is Heron Academy's YouTube channel. And in my previous vlogs, I had explained you and given you a lot of examples and understanding on how to relate your mind, connect the verbs and then try to speak. I hope you would have followed it, you would have learnt from it. And uske third series mein now, I will be telling you that what are the types of sentences. Sentences banane se pehle, sentences seekhne se pehle, it is very important for you to know the types of sentences for effective speaking. Yes, इसके बाद हम आपको लेके चलेंगे that what are the types of present, past and future tenses. But first you have to understand what are the different types of sentences, and not only you have to understand what are the different types of sentences, but I will tell you that what are the tips and techniques and method that you should be speaking all these types of sentences. It is not only, my dear students, the knowledge of the tenses, the knowledge of sentences, the knowledge of verbs and your subjects and your parts of speech. But what is more important is that how you are going to relate and you are going to speak so that you connect effectively with the listener or to the audience whom you want to speak to. You are very right. So now you have understood that what I am going to do in this particular vlog. Yes, I am going to teach you today in this vlog that what are the types of sentences, which already it is written over here. There are 5 types of sentences, which is assertive, negative, interrogative, interrogative negative, strong interrogative negative. अब नाउ ये जितने भी 5 सेंटेंसेस हैं इनके अपने सेपरेट फार्मूलाज हैं और सेपरेट मेथड्स हैं जहां आप उनको स्ट्रक्चर करोगे. लेकिन द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट उससे पहले जो आपको कभी किसी ने शायद ही बताया हो इज दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू स्पीक दीज टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. बिकॉज हर सेंटेंस जो है अपने आप में इट इज डिफरेंट. आप असर्टिव को इंटेरोगेटिव टोन में नहीं बोल सकते, इंटेरोगेटिव को नेगेटिव टोन में नहीं बोल सकते, नेगेटिव को असर्टिव टोन में नहीं बोल सकते. You will be misunderstood by your listener. Always keep it in mind. For an effective communication, many corporate people, many I would say professionals, apart from students and teachers, they take training from me. And हर ट्रेनिंग को मैं यही बताती हूँ कि yes, the structure, the formula में हम सिखाएंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले हम ये सिखाएंगे कि how should you actually speak these sentences. अगर वो assertive sentence है, so now what do you mean by assertive sentence? Yes, so ये समझना सबसे ज़रूरी है. Yes, hold on, सब सिखाऊंगी. Episodically I will teach you. First, today my focus will be only on assertive sentence and negative sentences. कि कैसे हमने इसको बोलना है और कैसे हमने फॉर्मूलास फिक्स करने हैं इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. क्योंकि ये जो सीरीज हमारी हेरन के ब्लॉग की चल रही है ये अभी प्रेजेंट टेंस को फोकस कर रही है. करेक्ट. एंड अगर डिटेल में इफ यू वांट टू लर्न, Heron Academy is there. The address is given down below in the link. You can just see your online and offline classes. Both are there for you. Yes. So let's see now what is assertive. So assertive का मतलब क्या होता है सबसे पहले. See, students, you have to understand that word जो हम बोलते हैं उसका हर एक का meaning होता है. So once you understand the meaning, half of the battle is won. So when I say assertive, assertive means assertion. Assertion means you are just conveying your mind to the listener or to the audience. Correct. और वो आपका body language से match होना चाहिए. That is all you have to understand. So assertion is all types of sentences which is your informative sentences and it is positive in statement. that I generally go there, I do this, I attend Helen classes, and I want to be this. So all these sentences are assertive sentences. So this assertive sentences, few examples that I will give you when you are doing the assertion. So assertive sentence means I take my sessions, okay, from Helen. So I take my sessions from Helen. So what does it mean? It means you are asserting something, you are giving an information to something. So such sentences, और हम इसको बोलेंगे कैसे? Yes, with a very poised body and with a very poised gesture, you will just give an information that I take classes from Helen. Yes, I go there in the morning, I attend their online sessions. So you are giving an assertion. I hope you have understood, because it is not only the sentence, it is the way you are conveying the sentence is also equally important. Keep it in mind. Number 2 is your negative sentences. Yes. Now, what is a negative sentence? Negative sentence is a statement which is not. देखो बच्चों, there is lot of confusion. सब सोचते हैं कि हमने नो लगा दिया तो ये नेगेटिव हो गया, है ना? Yeah, there is a difference between no and not. ये जो है no and not का difference next vlog में मैं बताऊंगी. Stay tuned for my next vlog. Okay? Let us now first do the not. Now, what do you mean by not? Not is a word for negative statement. Yes, and for present tense, whenever there is a not, what is going to be the helping verb? Do and does. According to the subject verb relation. जिसने नहीं देखा वो मेरा previous vlog देखेगा, उसकी समझ में आ जाएगा कि when there is a certain subject, so हम कौन सा verb लगाते हैं, when there is another certain subject, हम कौन सा verb लगाते हैं. तुरंत आप मेरा पहला वाला vlogs देखिए जो सीरीज में आ रहा है, so you will relate to this. Okay? So now when I say present tense in a negative statement, you will use not. No नहीं use होता, no कहीं और use होता है, मैं बताऊंगी. So not is negative. So now how do you speak this negative sentence? Very important. हम क्या करते हैं, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को assertive की तरह बोल देते हैं और कभी-कभी assertive सेंटेंस को भी नेगेटिव की टोन में बोल देते हैं. So there is a mismatch in a connect and there is a communication de-link. Yes. So when I say negative statement, so I will say I do not. So where is the stress? The stress is in the word not. That is why not is here. I do not take classes anywhere else. So what do I do? Where is the stress? Stress is here. I do not take. हम ऐसे थोड़ी बोलेंगे I do not take. It's wrong way of conveying something. You will not put stress here in this action. You will only put the stress in this not, because not is a negative word. So you will say I do not take classes anywhere else. I do not take classes anywhere. I do not take classes anywhere. I take classes from Helen Academy. Yes. So assertive is when you are giving an information, you are asserting, and negative is when you are negating something. कोई चीज आप किसी चीज के लिए मना कर रहे हैं. So the stress will be in not. And here in assertive, where will be the stress? Can anybody tell me? You can write down in the comment box. Yes. Where is going to be the stress? Yeah, I take. Because where are you giving an information from? You are giving an information in the verb. So I take. You're absolutely right if you are right. So I take my session from Helen. I do not take. Okay? So how to speak such type of sentences? इस कड़ी में I have told you assertive and negative. So keep it in mind after listening, after going through my blogs, that it is not only the structure, it is how you speak a sentence in a format of assertive and in a format of negative. Then what to keep in mind to use these sentences? What you have to keep it in mind to use these sentences? Where is the stress? So in negative, where is the stress? And in assertive, where is the stress? Yes. अगर आपने अपनी बात ठीक से कन्वे नहीं करी तो there is no point in conveying anything. So in assertion, it is an action where you have to give a stress, and in negation, negative में आपको कहाँ not में सभी चीज को चीख के नहीं बोलना है, सिर्फ आपने एक ही word where the stress is required, you have to give the stress to that. Okay? Then the third is, which are the rules that you have to keep in mind to form these sentences? Let's see that. So the third is now the rules. So in present tense, this is the rule of negative. This is the rule of negative, right? Do and does with negative. Correct. So do किसके लिए आता है? Watch my previous vlog for that. मैंने डिटेल में बता रखा है कि जब V1 होगा, right? The subject is going to be what? Yes, plural. They go. Okay? They do not. So they is with do not. Understood? When there is they, he, she, it. When there is a plural verb, you will use first form of verb. And when there is a singular subject, then you will use the fifth form of verb, that is S-E-S-N-I-E-S. So, he does. He does not go. Understood? So, he does not go. Similarly, here also, the rule says what you have to keep it in mind, that I take first form of verb and he takes. Okay? It is V5 S-E-S-N-I-E-S. This I have already explained in my previous blog. Again and again I am reminding you so that you go check link, because ये सीरीज चल रही है, आप वहाँ जाइए पहले वाले ब्लॉग्स में, connect to that blog, see it in detail and then follow my coming blogs. Yes. So today I have given only two, assertive and negative. Yes. And before I go to this, I will give you the importance of no and not, where to use. Okay? So until then, like, share and subscribe, but not to forget to take great care of yourself. See you and bye-bye from Helen Academy. God